In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Geometry Dash on PC. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Steam client. Make sure you are signed into your Steam profile, and once it is done, first off we need to click right here at the top left corner at Store to head over to Steam Store. Now, right over here, we can easily find that search field. Here we need to enter Geometry Dash, and then we can select it from that list. Once we are here, down below we can easily find this Add to Cart button next to price of this game, and first off we need to add it to our cart by clicking on it. After that we can continue shopping, but I'm gonna click at View My Cart to proceed to purchasing that game. On that step, we need to choose for which account we would like to buy this game. By default, it is selected for my account. However, you can also purchase this game as a gift, and then you will be able to send this game as a gift to, let's say, your friend. Then, once you are ready to purchase a game, you need to click right here at Continue to Payment. On the next step, it will ask us to select a payment method here. In my case, my Steam wallet is selected, so guys, I usually add money on my Steam wallet first, and then I purchase game using my Steam wallet balance. However, if you prefer to use another method, you can click right here at Change, and then you will be able to select different methods such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and maybe PayPal or some other payment methods available in your country. Once you have selected the method, click at Continue. And now, to continue, we need to click right here at this checkbox and then click at Purchase. Once you have purchased the game, you can install this game on your computer. To do that, just click at Install Content, select where you would like to install it. I have just one Steam folder on my C drive, so I'm just gonna click at Install, and what that will do, that will start downloading that game. You can check the downloading progress right over here at the bottom. Once the game is downloaded, it will put Geometry Dash shortcut on your desktop. However, also you can easily find your game in library. If we head over to library, we can easily find our game here. I have a filter enabled that sorts installed games into a separate category. However, if you cannot find Geometry Dash here, you can easily use search. Just start entering Geometry Dash, and that's how you can easily find the game. It is already installed on my computer, and then to play this game, all I have to do is just click at this button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.